scat and wash. It is 4 o'clock. Perfect time.
It feels like I just got here and just having so much fun. You know?
All right.
Cool. I hung out here for a day or two. I think the second night I went down there. But yeah, it's been a great time.
Yeah.
Is this your first RTR?
Well, yes, this is the first RTR. This is my third RTR.
Okay.
But, you know, it's changed. Where
Changed.
Yeah, so.
There's one rule.
What's that?
There ain't no rules.
I like that one. And,
I call it perfect spot, but it's perfect because of the people right now.
and not only that, it's free here.
Arizona is a great place. It's a wonderful place, but there's it's not as scenic here as like if you get down to Ajo and Y and stuff like that. It's not as scenic as if you get down by Tucson and different things like that.
Yeah.
But the community here is what makes it the best place because the nomad community is just a great thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's my opinion. Yeah. So, anyways, anytime I get a fire, I'm out.
Yeah.
I can.
Tomorrow we're probably going to do a little fire here. We just got here, as you saw, and we're scoping out the place. We might move, we might stay. We don't know yet.
Well, it's good to be away from the main road.
Don't do it. I only get my ideas from you. So yeah, so she's already, I didn't listen to it.
We are up and moving today. We're gonna go into town, take a shower, need to stock up on some food, and we'll probably have lunch out in town today.
The ambulance is on its way.
So here we are.
Not the trip we planned, of course. And we'll be okay.
I just know I started to feel really weak. I couldn't barely stand up.
Let me get you a no, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get you something to cover you. Got an ambulance coming. Yeah, she passed out and hit her head. She wants me to record this. Just take it easy. Just relax. They're gonna take care of you. I gotta flag them down. Over here. Over here. Over here. Look at my flashlight. Oh my God. My flashlight. I'm gonna get my flashlight. It's crazy. Oh my God. Stay calm. Where they at? Come on. You okay? Keep breathing.
Fine.
You're not fine.
Yes,
If you were fine, you wouldn't be on the floor. Oh boy. We're traveling together. This is my friend, and
Life can change in an instant when you're on the road. I want to thank my good friend Silver Turtle 65 for being there for me while I was very sick in the coyote's den for 1 whole week. Thank you for always offering to make me breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and for those yummy hot chicken soups that always seem to help. Oh, I can't wait to dig in my favorite salad. And we got some pizza. Look at that. I'll be feeling better in no time. You've been a great travel companion and a great friend. I will always cherish these memories that we created together on this trip.
we gotta get better. Nice sunset. Way up there, flickering in and out. I don't think it's a plane. It's going way up there. See right in the middle? Towards the freeway, just a little bit. We're camping together here because nobody else wants to come. I sent out an invitation. There were no takers. So, one more time.
It's just 2 of us again.
And that's okay. Top of each other.
Very cool.
Stuff that tastes good is bad for you.
Yeah, just wait.
I do like them, yeah.
Yeah. Not too big, not too small. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to call ourselves Sister Follies.
Well, that's a good
Yeah,
name.
so yeah.
Go over
So
there.
I guess I don't.
At this laundry mat, you could do all 3 things. You can eat, there's a restaurant, you could take a shower, and you can do your laundry here. So you could go eat a little bit while you're waiting for that to get done. It's perfect. Leaving Quartzsite for Ehrenberg Schoolie Palooza.